Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to refresh all your Chrome tabs at once using a simple extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. Click on these three dots to open Chrome's main menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will reveal a submenu with additional extension-related options that you can choose from. In that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and add-ons. Here you can find thousands of extensions designed to enhance your browsing experience and add new functionality to Chrome. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search bar at the top left of the page. In this search bar, type Reload All Tabs and press Enter. This will bring up a list of extensions related to refreshing multiple tabs simultaneously. Browse through the results until you find the extension called Reload All Tabs. Then click on it to open its dedicated page. On the extensions page, you'll see detailed information about what it does and how it works. To install it, click the blue button that says Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation and showing you what permissions the extension requires. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. The extension will download and install automatically within a few seconds. Now, to test out your newly installed extension, open multiple tabs in Chrome. You can open as many tabs as you like, whether it's news websites, social media pages, or work-related sites. Having multiple tabs open will help you see the extension's functionality in action. Once you have several tabs open, look at the top right corner of Chrome again, near the address bar. You'll notice a small puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions icon. Click on this icon to see a drop-down menu of all your installed extensions. From this menu, locate and click on Reload All Tabs. As soon as you click it, you'll notice that all your open tabs begin refreshing simultaneously. This means every tab reloads its content at the same time, saving you from having to manually refresh each one individually. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used an extension to refresh all your Chrome tabs at once. This is incredibly useful when you need to update multiple pages quickly or when you're monitoring several websites that require frequent refreshes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.